Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day today, not only from the price action point of view, but when you look down here at the volume, you can see volume was definitely well above average. So certainly some key levels to watch now going into next week from the technical point of view. And the first level to watch very closely, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you lots of people have taken notice of this area, and that is down here at 535. And I make the comment about a lot of people taking notice of this area because when lots of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have here at 535. I mean, you go through the history of things, you can see acted as support, acted as support, acted as support, and even when the previous times the price dropped below it, it didn't last very long at all before the price, quickly recovered back up above it. And then you even fast forward to today, and once again, didn't hit it exactly, but very close to being and bouncing right off that 535 mark. So my point here is there's lots of people watching that area. And while not a guarantee of anything, because those don't exist in the market, my core point here is it's more than valid. It's more than rational to think that if the price does go down to 535 and then falls below it, that could very well create some downside pressure. And if that does play out, then it would not be shocking at all to see the downside pressure carry this down to $5.20, if not even lower than that. So point here, 535, initial area of support, and then next level after that down at $5.20. Now, in the event this price bounces back upwards, let's talk about some areas of resistance. So first, I'm going to zoom back in so you can see where these levels come from a little bit better. But on any sort of bounce back to the upside, initial area of resistance to keep a close eye on is going to be right up here at $5.65. And then you'll also want to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $5.85. But as of right now, in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily bouncing upwards or anything like that. It's more so about just trying to stabilize out and try to build a higher base up above that $5.35 mark. So we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.